Listen carefully, because this moment will pass, whether you change or not. Right now, there are two versions of you being built. One by intention, and one by default. And default is dangerous. Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they drift. Days blur, weeks disappear, years vanish, and suddenly they're older but not better. But a few people escape that cycle. They don't chase motivation. They don't try to fix everything at once. They choose one discipline and let it reshape them. I'm about to show you 10 habits that do exactly that. Choose just one. 6 months from now, your confidence, your body, your mindset, everything will shift. And people won't ask what you're doing. They'll ask what changed. Stay with me. 1. Martial arts. Not for violence, for control. It teaches you how to stay calm under pressure, how to move with intention, how to respect yourself. You stop feeling fragile. You start feeling grounded. 2. Writing every day. Not for grammar, for clarity. Your mind is noisy because your thoughts are unorganized. Writing turns chaos into direction. 3. Strength training. The bar doesn't care about excuses. Show up weak, leave stronger. Over time, that lesson leaks into every area of your life. 4. Bodyweight mastery. When you can control your own body, you stop feeling helpless. Progress feels earned, because it is. 5. Strategic games. Chess, poker, even coding. They train patience, foresight, and emotional control. Skills most people never develop. 6. Speaking skills. Confidence isn't loudness, it's clarity. When you learn to express yourself, the world listens differently. 7. Reading daily. Every book is a shortcut. You either learn through mistakes or through wisdom. Smart people choose wisdom. 8. Endurance training. Running, cycling, swimming. It teaches you how to stay moving when your mind begs you to quit. 9. A high-value skill. Not likes, not degrees. A skill that solves problems and gets paid. Once you have that, freedom becomes possible. 10. Creating content. Not for validation, for leverage. Creation sharpens your thinking and multiplies your impact. One idea can travel further than you ever could. Here's the truth. You don't need more time. You need a direction. Pick one. Commit for 6 months. And let the compound effect do what motivation never could. If this hit you, don't ignore it. Like the video, subscribe, and start today. Because the future version of you is watching and hoping you don't scroll away.